Hi everyone, so tonight I'm heating the house using the wood burning boiler, and it's taught me quite a bit about sizing heat exchangers. And this is, you should use the biggest heat exchanger which will fit and which you can afford, because I think this heat exchanger was rated about, I think it was about 30 kilowatts, something like that. But that would be with freezing cold water in one circuit and roasting hot water in the other. Like as the temperature differences between the two circuits get smaller and smaller, you need a much bigger heat exchanger to get the efficiency. So I reckon I'm going to have to get a 100 kilowatt rated heat exchanger for this. So the way it's working is, that's the hot coming in just now from the boiler outside, and it's that hot that I can't really keep my hand on it. So I would go up through this heat exchanger, which is going to be used for the hot water, and then it comes into this one, which is for the central heating, and on this side of the combi boiler, so the return from all the radiators on the combi boiler side comes in, and then the hotter water comes out. But I can keep my hand on that easily, despite the inlet being so roasting that I can't really keep my hand on it for very long. So there's quite a big temperature difference there, and as such that means that there's quite a big inefficiency. So what I'm probably going to have to do is sell this one, use this one for the hot water, because when the cold water comes in, it's really cold, so you're going to be able to get more heat transfer power because the temperature difference is much larger. But for the central heating, I'm going to need a very big heat exchanger, probably something 3 times the size of this. There's a German company that made one. I had a look at it, and it's like about the same sort of dimensions, but it's just much longer. So if I was using it, it would be like sticking out like that. It's a massive thing. So that's probably what I'm going to get, and it costs about, I think, about £75 or something. This one is £50. That's Nordic Tech, which makes these ones, and they're very high quality. And there's another company called, I think it's German, it's Hral or something, I'm not really sure how it's said. But they make cheaper heat exchangers which are much larger, so I might get one of those. So just the boiler in operation outside, burning away quite well there. So it's just sort of flung together just now, so it's got like a blow off valve there as well as an open vented tank, so it's nice and safe. I've also added antifreeze to the water, so I don't destroy the boiler if the temperature gets too low. I eventually hope to have a breeze block building here, 3 by 2 meters, which the boiler will go inside, and I'll be connected up to these pipes here. These are just the pipes for the boiler, but eventually these pipes going to the boiler just over there will not be used, and will probably just be connected to a hot tub. So it'll just be kept in the ground anyway, because I'm not pulling them out again. And these are the ones that go into the house, so all this will be inside the building, and it'll be quite nice. So yeah, I'm just cooking my tea just now. Classical chip pan, just chopped up Maris Piper potato chips, so they're my favourites. So yeah, I've actually got a really exciting project coming up, hopefully. It's happening back where I used to live, so they're going to be converting a Toyota Hilux truck to electric, and possibly one of the tractors on the farm as well. So I'm going to be involved with that project, giving technical advice and helping out with sourcing batteries and whatever. So if that goes ahead, it'll be a really exciting video series for the channel. So stick around for that, and I'll let you know soon whether or not it's definitely going ahead.